So the Apple Vision Pro is coming out, but let's face it, you probably can't afford it. But today, I'm gonna be showing you what you can afford. This is the Vision HMD. Costs right about 140 bucks. I'm gonna add the link in the description. Not sponsored, but you know, I'm just trying to help you out. So it's a 3D video glasses, and we're gonna look at that right now. So it looks like this. So once you get in, we're greeted with the product itself, and this does look like VR glasses, but mind you, it's not VR glasses, it's not AR, so it's not virtual reality, it's not augmented reality, but it's basically a 3D video glasses. So that means you do have to plug this into a device for it to display, you know, video from that device. Like, you know, you're trying to watch a video from like YouTube or like a movie and stuff like that. So yeah, so we're gonna be trying this out for the first time. It has a cable with 2 plugs, so one for the HDMI for the actual display information, and the other is a USB type A, which is meant to, you know, draw in power, like 5 volts of power. So this kind of looks similar to like the PSVR, like in terms of design, but we're gonna test this out to see how it actually performs. Okay, so Bigeyes H1 HD 3D head mounted personal cinema. So this is the quick guide. Shows you how to wear it and how to set up, and it also shows what those buttons do: the pupil distance adjustment and the brightness settings. Then this says if you want to use it in 2D or 3D, so this can play 3D content, which is cool. Test that out. Then the screen size, and that's for powers. Also in the box we do have the we have headphones, wired headphones actually. Awesome. And this looks like, so it looks like a pattern, not sure exactly. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, so this is actually my first time of trying this, and yeah, I'm gonna test it out and I'll try to describe as best as I can, you know, how this product is and whether you should get it or not. This is called the eye shade, and it's gonna be part of the setup. Very quickly, I'm trying to show you exactly what you see when you're watching content with this headset, and right there you can see how large of a screen size you see, because you know the displays are so close to your eyes and you get a false perception of a large display. Okay, so this is after minutes of consuming content with the Bigeyes 3D H1, and here's my take. So this, for the 2D content, it's good. So you do have a large screen, which is awesome. It has nice and vibrant colors, and it does look great, you know, for the 2D content. But for the 3D content, I didn't really enjoy it. And so another thing is, so the earphones, the wired earphones, they come in the box, but those could definitely sound better. So while I was watching content with this, it definitely, you know, didn't sound terrible, like, oh, like I'm not enjoying, you know, what I'm consuming. You know, I was watching some What If, the new episodes, but you know, I was definitely enjoying it. And this is also not heavy, so it's very comfortable to wear, even though, you know, I had problems with actually having it, you know, positioned correctly. So, you know, there's no blurry edges, which is, you know, just something to do with the distance between my eyes and the screens or the lenses. But it's not heavy, so it's actually comfortable to wear for even long periods. And yeah, there we have it, the Visionhmd Bigeyes 3D H1. Hello names, but yeah, you get it. It's a 3D video headset, so it does really well. And I do advise this, for those of you who are trying to get personal entertainment, like a large screen in your own private time and private space. Definitely recommend that, for the price. Otherwise, if you do have, a pocket with bottomless tips, you can definitely afford the Apple Vision Pro, and this wouldn't matter to you. So that's it for today. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.